Good. And we believe in the prophets like Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Muhammad. We believe those are prophets sent by God to guide mankind. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
You believe that? All right, yourself in your journey, you believe in God now?
I'm trying. I've been speaking with my friends about this
Nice.
for a long time now, and I have studied many different arguments about the existence of God. I've studied all sorts of different philosophers. I personally didn't find any of those arguments convincing enough.
All right.
So now I'm at the point in which I want to attempt practicing
Okay,
a
good.
faith.
Let me show you one thing real quick.
Yeah.
How you doing, Habibi? Sadiq, can you get my blue Quran? It's in the Chumi bag. It's on the right side of the blue Quran. Oh, Jazakallah
Nice to
khair.
meet you. Yeah, I want to see whether there is something that I could experience through opening myself up to.
I got you. Relax. Yeah, this is my Quran. Yeah, you have a Quran?
Yes.
Okay, good. So you can look these verses up when you get home, right? But I just want to show it to you, right? This is Surah Anbiya in the Quran. It's the 21st chapter. This is verse number 33. Okay. It says, and it is He who created the night and the day, the sun and the moon, all the heavenly bodies in an orbit are swimming. Right? The fact that the sun and the moon and all the planets have an orbit was something unknown to the Arabs of the time, right?
I've studied all of these different scientific miracles in the
Okay,
Quran, and
good.
they are beautiful and they're convincing.
Nice.
And there are a number of them that I
Oh,
know
I've
you
got all these
prepared.
marked up. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
and I've studied those. I've been looking at them for the last few
But
months.
what I'm saying is,
Yes.
can a man in a desert who cannot read or write know the sun has an orbit, right? Like the moon's orbit, like again, so just to be, I don't know, like when you see the sun go across the sky, that's not the orbit of the sun, right? That is the earth rotating, from what scientists tell us, So the orbit of the sun is not around the earth. It is a very, very slow orbit around the center of the galaxy, right? According to scientists, right? The Hubble telescope found traces and things of movement and so on, right? So until then, we didn't know that as humanity, right? But when the Quran says,
the verse again?
yeah, sure, go for it.
Right. Okay.
Beautiful, right?
It's always beautiful.
Yeah. So now think about that. How can a man in the desert who cannot read or write, who's never studied astronomy, hasn't read the Greek works, hasn't read Roman writings, couldn't even read Arabic, right? Let alone Greek and Latin and stuff, right? How could he know that?
Yeah, that's always the incredible thing about studying the Quran.
Yes,
The better my Arabic gets, and the
Yeah.
better I'm able to read the Quran in the original language.
it's beautiful.
The closer I.
And if you want an experience, inshallah, when you take your Shahada, I'll take you with me. We'll go to Mecca. It'll be the most spiritual experience you'll ever had.
And what's your name again?
My name's Uthman.
Uthman.
Uthman ibn Farooq. Uthman's good enough. Yeah. Good to see you.
David.
Good
It's
to
a pleasure
see you, David.
talking.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much for your time.
No pressure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We as Muslims don't pressure people. So take your time, be on your journey, but don't take too long. When you're ready,
I know.
we're here for
I'm
your
working on
Shahada.
it. Thank
All
you.
right.
Thank
Thank you so
you.
much,
Thank you
David.
so
Great
much.
conversation. So as Muslims, we believe in only one God. Does that make sense? We don't worship people. We don't worship idols. We don't worship prophets. We don't worship stones. We don't worship saints. We don't worship graves. We only worship the one creator that created everything. The one that created the skies, the one that created the earth, the one that created all of us, that loves us, that wants us to be on the right path. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
All right, good. And we believe in the prophets like Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Muhammad. We believe those are prophets sent by God to guide mankind. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
You believe that? All right, you're already there. So let's do your Shahada. You'll be Muslim. All right, so to be Muslim, we say the testimony, okay? So say it with me. Say, I bear witness.
I have dyslexic, so I
No problem. Take your time. Stutter all you want. Allah knows your heart. Don't worry. Say, I bear witness.
I bear witness.
There is none
There is none
worthy
worthy
of worship
of worship
except Allah. Except
except
Allah.
Allah.
Beautiful. And you're with me. I got you. And I bear witness.
And I bear witness
Muhammad is the servant
is the servant
and messenger
and messenger
of Allah.
of Allah.
That's it. Allahu Akbar. You're Muslim. All right. No, you were doing it excellent. We're going to do it in Arabic. I'm going to take it slowly. You just say it with me, okay? Say Ashhadu. Ashhadu.
أشهد
Excellent. You said it wonderful. An la
أن
ilaha illallah. Allah. Perfect. And said Ashhadu
أشهد أشهد
anna Muhammada
محمد
Rasul
رسول
Allah.
الله.
Allahu Akbar. That was beautiful. You're Muslim. You have the belief. This is the best day of your life. Your entire past, the sins are forgiven. It's like a new day for you. All right? We're going to give you some books. Are you in New York? Which borough are you at?
Manhattan.
Manhattan. Okay, we're going to get you the close mosques and we're going to have people keep up. You're our sister. 1.8 billion Muslims